It's a red cedar wood, so we picked it out because of the looks. It was very different than the houses we see before. So in combination with the black and the crooked shape of the house, it was our favorite.
Hey y'all, today we are here in the Netherlands with Anette and Jan, and they're gonna give us a tour of their self-built tiny house.
Welcome to our home in Zeist in the Netherlands. We built it exactly 3 years ago. And it's around 25 square meters, so it's large enough for us both. It's not very big, but it's a nice place to live in. We have here the living room. We choose to have a large couch, so you can sit with, I believe, 4 people, even 5, if we're a little bit close to each other. But so you have a nice and large place to sit with friends. We have a very huge window. I designed the house with smaller windows, and then one of our friends who is an architect, she told me, like, you have to put on one big window for the lights because you will regret it if you put 2 smaller windows. So I listened to the experts and she told me to do this window and also the longer one on the other side. But if it's better outside, you can just enjoy your view.
Like now.
Like now. We bought this table on Marketplace. Like, we wanted to have multiple tables. So it's the one you can easily normally shove out and have multiple tables.
Place. And this is custom made sofa, or you just...
The pillows were custom made. But we choose the fake leather because of the looks. But it's a little bit cold, so maybe normally we'll put all the blankets on top and make it a little bit more cozy. But it has to be very large because we are tall. The sit length needed to be very tall. This is what we call our attic, like the attic, yeah.
Attic, yeah.
So it's filled with puzzles and a printer and a little bit of books.
And at the bottom there is no opening?
No, we have it over here, like for the shoes and the bags, and way in the back it's our garage, and we put in like suitcases, and we have a lot of water tanks, so you can open it and then you have room for your jackets.
You have a French door. You
Yeah.
can open both of them.
It was a nice story. We bought this second hand, but it was made to be a garden door to open inside. But I wanted it to be my front door opening outside. So it has to be changed, all of the parts, like the key has to be changed. Everything was, only the wood was used, but it took my dad a very long time. For the kitchen, we wanted to have a seating table. We don't use it a lot, but like if we're gonna make pancakes, somebody will sit on that side and somebody will sit on this side. And also this can be used for hobbies or working. We wanted to have a kitchen with a lot of counter space, so you can easily cook with 2 persons at a time. And an electric stove with an oven. And we even have a dishwasher. And here we have for the garbage, like all the different garbage bags. Recycling. IKEA, yeah. And last month we added the shelves, so we can stock up on like the pasta and the rice. Countertop was bought by a special company who normally makes like gravestones, because IKEA wanted to give me a stone countertop, and it was so expensive that we were like, that's not our budget. And then we went to the local stone supplier, and he said, like, normally he does gravestones, but he has one giant stone where he could make a countertop like this. It's all natural black stone, and it was cheaper, very much cheaper than IKEA. So that was a good find. It was a very good find.
So the building hack would be to find some local...
Find a local
gravestone.
And they will make you a beautiful custom-made countertop. So that's a good tip.
But the kitchen itself is ordered in IKEA.
Yeah, it's all IKEA. Like all the oven and the dishwasher, it's all IKEA. It's easy and it's a little bit more cheap than a custom made. And we were running out of time to make it ourselves, so sometimes you have to order the easier way of making it kitchen.
Yeah, and it didn't care about the weight because it's not on wheels.
No,
so.
no, so it can be... Yeah, I believe this one is very heavy, the countertop. They had to pull it in with, I believe, 10 people, because it was, yeah, not very tiny house alike. For the other kitchen stuff, we have a big drawer with all the food and storage. So it's one of the things my dad built. He built it with us, the whole house, and the most things we built together. But this one was my birthday present. He built it, the whole closet with the staircase, just for my birthday. And I'm very happy with it. It's looking very nice. And in this closet we also have the fridge with the small freezer inside. And the freezer was too small, so one of our upgrades was to buy another freezer. I think now the closet that we have is also in the kitchen area is bigger than the closet I had before. So that's now this part. It's like all of our clothes, and also this part and this part, and over here also clothes. So
and full-size mirror.
And a full-size mirror, yeah. One of the favorite things. And on the bottom we have our entry of the cat. He can go in and out of himself with a drawer with all of his food. We have a sliding door. It's easy to shut. It's one of the things we have to a little bit make it decorate, yeah. And inside we have a large cabin for a drawer, like the laundry and all the towels and stuff. An electric heating panel for the towels also. And normally in the winter we use it to dry our clothes if it comes out of the washing. We have a washing machine and it's a combination washing and drying, so you can wash and dry at the same machine. But because you can wash and dry, the washing is not very good and the drying is also not very good. So it sounds practical, but I think we only use the washing machine part, and the drying we do or outside, or we hang the clothes up. We have just a normal toilet. And then for the shower, that's my favorite part. I wanted it a rain shower, but the rain shower uses a lot of water, so we don't use it anymore. Because I believe normally you can shower for 10 minutes. And now if you use the rain shower head, you can use it for a little 3 to 4 minutes heat with hot water. So if you want to take a long shower, you just have to use the normal and smaller one.
This one are extra sittings, so we can take them out, and if you are with a lot of people, we can take it out.
It works like extra bench.
Yeah, extra bench, extra seat, and it's also where I can put all the tools of other things. So it's a handy place to put some stuffs. And then we got this wooden piece that we work on. That's the same for the lamp. And then yeah, that's the upstairs where you've got the bed, storage area with really big storage, and yeah, just enough place for the surfboard above. And yeah, that's the nightstand, and it's actually a piece of the nightstand is actually the inside of the shower. So we want what is it, 20 centimeter inside the shower to really can wash your hair. And yeah, that's kind of handy.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you want to find a bit more about their tiny house and about the exterior, you can find the second video right here. The links from their social media will be in the description below, and see you in the next one. Cheers!